Alright, last day in the woods. Well, last few minutes in the woods because we're going to be heading out of here shortly, but got something from the gym. That's about half the alcohol we consumed. Yep. Crashing camp. I mean, I'm all ready to go. Just scrubbing and cleaning. There's a snake! These boys been doing this the whole time with their cameras and live streaming and nonsense. But when I ask them to be in my YouTube video, they don't want to be because they're shy. They rather look at this instead of this. All right, we're cleaning, boys.
We're not. We're still here. We just got
Yep.
What do you mean cleaning? You've done fuck all.
What do you mean?
It's me and Alpha that have been fucking cleaning.
I've taken like 6 bags of trash to the front.
What are you gonna do with
I separated the recycles. I sweeped up everything.
me and Alpha?
Why you?
Me and Alpha were up at fucking 8 a.m. cleaning up.
I was up at 7 cleaning up.
No, you weren't.
Yeah, I was.
You
Yep. Sorry, but yeah.
Okay, Alpha. Was there anybody else out here when we got up? When we first got up?
James and you.
Because I was at the front throwing shit out. All right, we're packed up. We're cleaned up. Getting on out of here. Yeah, pit stop in Shirahama. Pretty cool. The guy in Shimoda yesterday told me this is all natural sand. Okay.
All right, guys, so here, let me show you. This is like the kind of the most famous one. Beach, not near Tokyo, but relatively.
Let's go down then, boys.
So, my first time down here in Shirahama officially, even though I'm shoebying it. But yeah, thanks for the tour guide.
That's what I'm here for.
Time to officially drink some beer. Hold on,
Wasabi.
Yeah, we got the wasabi monster shakes.
Yeah, but Lex fucked it up.
Yeah.
It was supposed to be 3 of us.
Fuck you, Lex.
Right there. It said that
He was just like, I'll just wear
I
the
got
same
on my
thing I wore
phone.
yesterday. Yeah.
All right, boys. Kapay.
Oh, I can't. Well,
Yeah, I got
get
it.
my drink.
Oh, wait.
We got to come through here this summer. That's for sure. This is awesome. Well, this is absolutely beautiful. Look at this water. It's like I'm in South Florida again. Wow. What more could I ask for in life? I got friends, I got beer, and I got the beach.
All I need is one more bitch.
Exactly.
Need the bitches.
Yep. Okay, I'm gonna officially get in the water by putting my hand in it. Let's see. Can I do this without screwing anything up? That is kind of chilly. That is really chilly. Let me grab some sand. All right. Guys, I've officially done Golden Week beachness. I can't swim today though, sadly. I should probably back up. All right, boys. Hey, we got our first beach of the year.
Speech?
Beach.
Oh.
First beach of the year, man.
Speech?
I'm giving you a speech. What is going on behind here?
Have you been outdoors,
All right, you ready, boys? We're back in the hills.
I'll probably regret that.
We're going to some wasabi place before we head out. This place is like 20 degrees cooler than it is in Shimoda. It's crazy. So on the way back into town, we're stopping at a pizzeria in Shuzenji. And this guy right here decides to order some wine.
There you go. Cheers to this guy.
You think you're better than us?
I didn't think he is.
He knows. Yeah, he knows.
Oh, yeah. You excited for this?
Maybe I should have bought wine. I should have bought wine.
I am going to eat. Alright, here we go.
Alright, let's keep it down on the cuss words. There's still kids here.
That's like, bro, I feel like we're at a Chuck E. Cheese or something with these. We're on a.
It's really good though. Oh yeah.
This is really good.
I won this, so it's okay. It's really good. Goddamn.
Let's check it.
Okay. This place was good. The Crank. Right in front of Shuzenji Station over there.
We're over here in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah. This place was delicioso. Yeah.
You're going nowhere. I got you for 3 minutes.
That train's going to Tokyo right there, actually.
Oh, is this interesting? No.
Phoenyx 787 says sitting in traffic song.
What is it?
Oh, this song. Fucking A. I'm at a parking area over here by Gotemba right now. These freaking highways build the most insane parking areas. It's like a mini shopping mall over here. And then they've got like an entire like playground and dog run over here. And then here's the bathrooms. So, you know, eat your heart out, highway rest stations in America. The reason we're over here though is because freaking highway's got a 10-kilometer backup due to a 3-car accident that happened 2 hours ago. So we were sitting in traffic, not moving anywhere. So now we're just like, we gotta pee. Oh, here's a rest area. Let's come on over here. I know, right? That's what I thought.
Pacific City. And well, you know, Pacifico.
Yeah.
It's the greatest thing here.
We're at the Ebina parking area now. I got dinner. This place is slammed, packed. But there's hella food in here. That's the cool part about these parking areas.
In line?
She bought
all of them.
all 4.
That's right.
Fucking trees.
They didn't have like reserved somewhere else, or
I don't think they do.
No, I straight up just.
Somebody
called
bottle
out,
of
"You're a
donuts."
Fucking bitch.
You did not, for real?
Yeah.
I wish I was there.